What's up guys, my name is TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a video for you that may seem super rudimentary and simple. However, Windows has found a way to make it incredibly difficult. This video is about obviously what's in the title, however it'll be split up into three parts. The first part is doing it on a Wi-Fi connection, the second part is with an Ethernet or cable connection, and the third part again is a cable connection, however it's for the people who don't have this option visible. Either way, let's start with the Wi-Fi connection. Over here, I'm on my laptop and I'm connected to a Wi-Fi network. In the bottom right, click the network icon and you can see I'm on a Wi-Fi network. Simply hit the properties button under the name of the Wi-Fi network and you'll see this window pop up. On the very far left, we have network profile at the very top. We have public and private. Usually changing it to private will fix any issues that you're having, and if you came for this video, that's probably what you want. The second one is this computer over here connected via Ethernet. So if I click the network icon once again, you can see we're connected via Ethernet. If we click on this, it'll open up a settings window as such. And if we click on the network name once again, you'll see this familiar page over here where we can change it from public to private. It's super simple and easy to do. However, here's where things get a little bit confusing. Over here on my main desktop PC, if I click the network icon, click on my network, this window pops up, head across into the network itself, you'll see that there is no network options to make it public or private. For some reason, this is hidden, and as far as I know, it should be private by default if you're over here seeing this. However, if it's not, the simplest way to get around this is with a few console commands. However, this will be a little bit more advanced, so try to follow closely. I'll hold start and press X, then this will pop up. All we need to do is click on Windows PowerShell Admin or press A on our keyboard. Hit yes when prompted for admin, then we'll go ahead and type in get with a capital G, hyphen, and then with no spaces, net with a capital N, connection with a capital C, and profile with a capital P. Then we'll hit enter. As you can see, we have some information over here. The name of the connection, a number representing it, and the network category that it's currently in, which is currently private. If we have a look in our bar down here, you can see unidentified network connected. So this is the one over here that we're going to be working with. InterfaceIndex is set to 5. So we'll type in set with a capital S, hyphen, net, capital N, connection, capital C, profile, capital P, space, hyphen, interface, capital I, index, capital I once again, space, followed by the number that we saw earlier. So Ethernet 3, unidentified network, interface index 5. So I'll type in 5, space, hyphen, network, capital N, category, capital C, space, private or public. Then you'll hit enter and you won't see anything returned back to you. However, if we hit the up arrow key twice, we'll get back to Get-NetConnectionProfile. We can hit enter, and as you can see, unidentified network, Ethernet 3, 5, private, where over here it says public. And it's as simple as that. Once you've done this, it should be saved, and if you were to restart your PC, I'm pretty sure it would still be in this state. However, you can check at any time by typing in Get-NetConnectionProfile, as we did over here. Once you're done with it, we can close out of all of the windows, and that's about it. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.